Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful, for another session of IELTS reading skills. This is Sadia Imran from the Language House. We will continue the previous passage, highs and lows, and we will continue reading and discussing the passage so that my students could understand it in a better way, and we can discuss the sub skills of reading. So we have discussed about moods, about these hormones, about seasons, that they are interdependent. So let's continue. Some Russian scientists claim that children learn better after being exposed to ultraviolet light. In warm countries, hours of work are often arranged so that workers can take a break or even a siesta during the hottest part of the day. So they can rest, they can enjoy, they can go to beaches, they can go to cold areas, and they can enjoy their vacations. So they have, in our country, even we have vacations. For summer vacations, people can rest, or in winter vacations, they can rest so that their body is according to the need and they can work in a proper way. In schools, we have holidays, teachers takes break, so but not in offices. Scientists are working to discover the link between the weather and human being moods and performance. So still scientists are doing a lot of research to find out a link between the moods, human beings' moods, and the performance and the weather. That if some human mind is curious, if he is anxious, if he is worried, if he is tired, if he is sad, if he is overwhelmed, then how it does affect his performance. And it does. There are many researches which are going on, even students' mood and work and performance effects with their, change in their behavior, in their hormones. So we say that yes, we can partially agree to it, but still there are a lot of researches going on to find out the link. And there are many researches which are already done. It is generally believed that tempers grow shorter in hot, muggy weather. Yes, this is a journal information, journal observation, that in summers people become hot tempered and bad tempered. There is no doubt that crimes against the persons rise in the summer when the weather is hotter, and fall in the winter when the weather is colder. Research in the United States has shown a relationship between temperature and street riots, street fights. People in Pakistan, you have seen that. The frequency of riots rises dramatically as the weather gets warmer, hitting a peak around 27 to 30 degrees. But in this effect really due to a mood change caused by the heat. So it means through research and through examples, we can say that hot weather affects the mood. Some scientists argue that troubles start more often in hot weather, merely because there are more people in the street. When the weather is good, more people are around. But in winters we go hibernate, like animals also hibernate, they go and sleep. In winters we also want to rest a bit, and we don't want to talk to anyone, we feel that we are in a different mood. But in summers we have to go out, take a lot of water, juices, more people are out because they feel suffocated at home. So obviously it does matter. Next paragraph. Psychologists have also studied how being cold affects performance. So it's not only about hot weather, it's about cold weather as well. So performance does affect cold weather. In cold weather we have low energy. We want to eat lot of hot things, beverages, coffee, tea, kava and all that. Researchers compared divers working in icy cold water at 5 degrees centigrade with others in water at 20 degree about swimming pool temperature. And we can here add that for young people weather has a different effect, and for the old people, but here they are talking about young people. That's why they say hormones and levels and highs and lows. The colder water made the divers worse at simple arithmetic and other mental tasks, but significantly their performance were impaired as soon. Impaired means broken, deteriorated, going down by the cold water. So in cold water their mental skills, so they performed an experiment, their mental skills in the cold water is not that sharp, that high as compared to the hot weather. So come to the page 70, suggests that the low temperature did not slow down mental functioning directly, but the feeling of cold distracted the divers from their tasks. So in fact their ability does not fall down or deteriorate, but the distracted mood, because they were not focused in the cold weather, because they were shivering and they feel cold, so they are no focus. Alright, so for more details please keep in touch and do like and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.